Okay, on this episode of Jersey Cars, this isn't exactly. This is like a new thing that I'm trying. It's it's called Model Car Sunday, where it's like once a month kind of deal. So, to the people who were subscribed to my channel a while ago, you guys watched me unboxing a Lamborghini Aventador SV about a year or two ago. Well, I owed you guys a review, so here the car is. For 2 years, or 3, I can't really remember, it's been so long, that I've had this car. I have been in love with it since I've had it. It's very detailed, and I keep on finding new things that are cool with it. So, you got the doors that pop up like this, like how we can remember. And then having nails, awesome. But everything on this car is very detailed. And it definitely shows the $270 price tag that it has. And it lives up to everything. It is worth every penny. For those who are not familiar with auto art is a very high-end model car manufacturer that replicates these exact cars and makes them into these pristine example looking cars. Let me show you how it looks like in the trunk area, because it's carpeted in there. You have very detailed looking interior that has some carpet in it. The engine bay is amazing. Now, the thing that I really like about it is you look at this car, mesh, everything. Even in there, it is mesh. You got mesh in the front. You got mesh everywhere. And my littlest thing that I like about it that I just found out is it says, I highly doubt it's going to focus, but it says 1 of 500 examples. Like, how crazy is that? That a model car manufacturer can mimic that. This car, I am in love with. The things that, I don't even have anything that I do not like except for that door, those doors are a little finicky to open. And if you are not careful, I haven't done it yet, but knock on wood, this, I'm willing to bet you will break very easily if one day you end up screwing it up. Because it is like held on by all these little itty bitty bolts and stuff, and it's very fragile. This car is not meant for kids, that's why that there's an age restriction. One of the things that also does bother me, but it's whatever, is the little gas door area. It's cut out like it would work, but it doesn't. It's there for aesthetics, it's not there for function. I like how it has steering. If you want to see the steering wheel real quickly when I turn it. It does have steering. Not much, but a little. The other thing that I'm not exactly all too thrilled about is that it went away from its metal die casting. I like the metal die casting. It gave it more of a I'm worth more money kind of weight than I just bought a Maisto. Maisto makes some really good examples. They're starting to make like their elites and stuff. But this car needs, I feel like, I don't know why they went to plastic or like a die cast composite, but I wish that they stick with the metal. I don't know what the reason is for this auto art and why they went for it. I can't explain it. I can't figure it out. But I love everything about this car except for that feature. I would love it to still be the metal. I also like the fact is too, it says Aventador there. It even has that little like door handle / pulley thing. That's, you know, I'm in the car industry and I still don't know what that is. That's probably like a door handle thing. The other thing that I really like about it is that it has hydraulics. So this door is like pushed up and it'll stay. It also has like a little baby working door handle that gets stopped right there. This car is really detailed. And I'm very satisfied with it over the years that I've had it. And I would recommend an auto art, just not for little kids. Because I would hate for a parent to buy this for their kid, and in about a couple of days, depends on the kid, it could be a year, or it could be a minute, where this door is off, the plastic's off, the mirror's off, that's taken off, something's broken on it. That, or if you have a dog. I have one upstairs. I have one model that has its hood kind of not attached properly because she hit it with her tail. Now, it was about a $70 model. It still hurt when it happened, but thank God it never happened in my auto art. But this is what's going to be part of the channel. Once a month, I'm going to do a model car review or an unboxing or something different, because to appease my model car fans. This is something that is experimental. I'll see where it goes. If you guys like it, let me know. If you guys don't, then also let me know. But if this also brings in new people to the channel, that'd be great. I also do videos about my car. I also do videos about cars at dealerships. And I go to Cars and Coffees and car shows. So if this is something else that you like and that you want to go and watch, then that'll be great. But my review about this is a highly recommend. Other than the fact is too, it has no weight to it whatsoever. It's kind of like picking up a feather. It has maybe like a 2-pound weight. I'm not gonna like say it's light, but it's like, it's 2-3 pounds or something. It's not heavy. I wish it was heavy, but it's not. But anyway, if you guys liked the video, like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram, That Impala Girl. So I will talk to you guys later. Bye.